And I am going to start numerical method. So first we consider x a point, and after h distance here another point x plus h. For the x we can consider a function that is f of x, and for the x plus h we consider another function that is f of x plus h. So this distance between f of x and f of x plus h expressed at del f of x. Clear? So del f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. So del is called forward difference operator. Clear? So you consider a value x, and after h distance you consider another point that is x plus h. For the point x you consider a function that is f of x, and for the point x plus h you consider another function f of x plus h. So the distance between f of x plus h and f of x is del f of x. So del represents the distance between 2 points, or difference between 2 points, that is f of x plus h minus f of x. So that's why del is called forward difference operator. Now I am talking about shifting property. What is shifting property? The very important thing is shifting property. Shifting property. So what is shifting property? We draw a number line. I draw a number line. Here is a point that is x. After x distance another point, or here we take a function f of x. After h distance we take another function that is f of x plus h. After h distance we take another function f of x plus 2h. After h distance we can take another function that is x plus 3h, and so on. If I apply shifting property is denoted by capital E. Always remember that shifting property is denoted by capital E. If I apply shifting operator, then the function go to the next interval. If I apply shifting property, that means if I apply E upon f of x, then the value we find out, then the value we get f of x plus h. Clear? If we apply shifting operator, that means E upon f of x plus h, that means we can go for the next we can go to the next interval, that is f of x plus 2h. That means shift. E help to shift one function to another function. It help to shift one function to another function. So in general we can write shifting property as, shifting property is denoted by E, and we can write the form as e to the power n f of x equal to f of x plus nh. If your n is 1, then it is e of fx equal to f of x plus h. If your e is 2, that means e square f of x equal to f of x plus 2h, etc. So in general we can write e to the power n f of x equal to f of x plus nh. Clear? So now we learn how e square, what is the value of e square f of x. How it, we all know, if you apply shifting property, e f x equal to f of x plus h. Clear? So we can write e, here we can write f of x plus h. If we apply shifting operator on f of x plus h, so it go to the next interval, that means it will be f of x plus 2h. Clear? Now, yes? Now we have to find out the relation between shifting operator, relation between del and E, or you can say the relation between shifting operator and difference operator. Del means difference operator and E means shifting operator. So what the formula of del fx? Del fx equal to, we can write del fx equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. We all know that del f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. Okay. Then if we apply e f of x, then it will be f of x plus h. So we just replace f of x plus h by e of x. So del f of x equal to e f of x minus f of x. Clear? Now we take del f of x. So we can write, if I take f of x common from this, then e minus 1 f of x. Now both side f of x cancel out, then del equal to e minus 1. Clear? So del plus 1 equal to e. So the relation between del and e equal to del plus 1 equal to e, or relation between del, that means difference operator, and e, that means shifting operator. So the relation between difference operator and shifting operator is del plus 1 equal to e, where your del is difference operator and e is your shifting operator. This is very important result, as I used it in many sum. So our next topic, we do some math on uses the formula. Our math is prove that del log f of hello, that is del log f of x equal to log 1 plus del f of x by f of x. Prove that del log f of x equal to log under bracket 1 plus del f of x by f of x. So first we do left hand side LHS, that is del log f of x. We know the formula of del f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. So we apply this. So we can write log f of x plus h minus log f of x. We just use this formula in here. So log f of x plus h minus log f of x. So this is log a minus log b. What is the form log a minus log b? That is log a by b. F of x plus h by f of x. Clear? Now I apply here f of x plus h, we change it on del, we change it on shifting operator form. That means we can write f of x plus h equal to e of fx. So we change it. So we write log f of x replaced by e f of x by f of x. Clear? Now we know del plus 1 equal to e. So we write log, in the case of e we can write 1 plus del f of x by f of x. Clear? Now I apply log f of x plus del f of x by f of x. Clear? So that means if you simplify this, log f of x by f of x plus del f of x by f of x. F of x by f of x, that means 1. So log 1 plus del f of x by f of x is your given answer. You prove it. Proof. Clear? Hello.
রীতিমতো তো হচ্ছে আমরা কোথায় কোথায় যোগাযোগ করা আরম্ভ করছি রীতিমতো ওদের ছবি তুলে তার ছবি তুলে পাঠায় দিচ্ছে
Evolute. Evolute.
বলতে এই ডাক্তার ছবি তুলে পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছে
Del square by E
কত সেন্টিতে ডাক্তার আছে
x square, where h equal to 2. How we solve it?
কি ভরে না এটা
The solution is del square by E of x square. We know that del plus 1 equal to E. So del equal to E minus 1. Now we can replace del by E minus 1 whole square by E of x. Clear? E minus 1 whole square means E minus 1 whole square means E square minus 2E plus 1 divided by E of x square. Then we can write E square by E, that means this one is E minus 2 plus 1 by E of x square. That means this is E of x square minus 2x square plus 1 by E, that means E inverse of x square, E inverse of x square. E of x square, if you consider a function that is x at each 2 distance, the point is x plus 2, 2 distance the point is x plus 4, x minus 2, and the function x square, x plus 2 whole square, x plus 4 whole square, x minus 2 whole square. If you apply E upon this function, E of x square equal to x plus 2 whole square, so you can write E of x square equal to x plus 2 whole square. Similarly, E of x minus 2 whole square equal to x square, so x minus 2 whole square equal to E inverse of x square. Clear? So E of x square, that means x plus 2 whole square minus 2x square plus x minus 2 whole square, and after simplify it we get the answer 8. So 8 is the answer. Clear? So this is the first chapter of numerical method. So this is the first chapter of numerical method, and I do what is del, what is E, relation between del and E, and some problem upon del and E. So if you like my video, subscribe my channel, share my videos. We'll meet on next video. Thank you.